Okay, so you've read the question. So let's start. Find the area of triangle PQS. PQS, that is the big triangle. Okay, we know that height of PQS is 3 times, thrice means 3 times the height of triangle QRS. QRS, the small triangle, 3 times. Okay, so let's see. Area of triangle PQRS, the small one, okay? The small one, QRS, is half times base. I don't know how much, so I just use B, base, times height, okay? Big triangle, PQS. Triangle PQS, area is half times base, the same base, yeah? Okay, and this is height. And this is, question tells us this is 3 times, so it's 3h. 3h, okay? So, if you take triangle PQS, the big triangle, over the small triangle QRS, big triangle is half B3H, small triangle is half BH. Okay, what do you know? What do you see? Cancel, cancel, H and H can cancel, B and B can cancel, half and can cancel. What do you have? 3. So I know the height of, the area of big triangle is 3 times the area of the small triangle. Okay? Now, 3 times. So, which means, okay, this is the small triangle, right? Which means this part, if the whole thing is 3 times the small triangle, then is this part, the green one that I highlighted for you, must be 2 times the area of the small triangle. Okay? So, and it just so happens that it's an isosceles triangle. So this is exactly the same as this. If this is 289, this must be 289 as well. Okay? Question tells you this is 289. So if this is 289, this must be 289 as well. And I told you, okay, this one, the green part, must be 2 times the small triangle, QRS. If this is 289, and it's 2 times, so the small triangle must be 289. Okay, add together, okay? The big triangle, check. Triangle PQS, it's 289 plus 289 plus 289. Okay? Use your calculator to check if you have to. 867. Okay? And we say that this is 289. Small triangle is QRS. 289. Check. 867 divided by 289. You get 3. Correct. So it's correct. Okay? So this small triangle is 289. Okay? So the one area of big triangle PQS. So you find out already. Okay? 289 plus 289 plus 289. You get 867. Don't forget your units. Okay? Now, find the height of SQ. Find the length of SQ. Length of SQ, this one. Okay? Now, what do you notice? Okay? This 45 degrees They don't give you this for nothing. 45 degrees. Okay? Imagine if you have another exactly the same one here. Another exact same triangle as QRS here. Another one here. Will it form a square? 45, 45, 90 degrees. 45, 45, 90 degrees. With 5, 45, 90 degrees. With 5, 45, 90 degrees. It becomes the square. Okay? So we're trying to find the length of the square. And we know that the area of this triangle is 289. Okay? So what is the area of the square? Isn't it times 4, this area of triangle times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 289 times 4, you will get, use your calculator if you have to. 1156 cm square. So the area of this whole square is 1156. So can I find the length of one side? Yes. Square root of 1156. Use your calculator. You can't work it out on your own. Okay, you have to use a calculator. Square root of 1156 is 34 cm. Okay, so the length of SQ is 34 cm.
Overwhelmed by the sheer variety of PSLE math questions, especially in Paper 1 Booklet B and Paper 2? Now you're not alone, and there's a smarter way to tackle it. After years of guiding students through these challenging sections, I developed the 9-type system, proven framework that simplifies even the trickiest word problems by distilling them into just 9 core types. This system helps students recognize common patterns and questions, apply a step-by-step problem-solving strategy, understand concepts deeply, not just memorize, maximize marks with an exam-smart approach. The 9-type system, proven, powerful, effective, designed specifically for primary 6 students who are aiming for excellence. What makes this online math camp different? In addition to covering all the essential topics, students will be taught the 9-type system, equipping them with a powerful framework to confidently tackle any word problem they face in the exam. Let's dive into what we have in store for your child. Covers core topics: fractions, ratio, speed, volume, circles, ... and more high-yield topics critical for the PSLE. What to expect: strategic problem-solving techniques, challenging questions from top school prelims, practice with real past papers from schools like Rosyth, Henry Park, Nanyang, Raffles Girls, Nanhua, Mahabodhi, and many more. Small group setting for focused guidance. Ideal for students who want to strengthen fundamentals and master advanced techniques. It's not just about quantity, it's about quality learning, boost confidence, sharpen skills, ace the PSLE. In this camp, we will equip your child with the tools they need to navigate the PSLE with confidence. Don't let the stress of exam time overwhelm your child. Give them the gift of a strategic, simplified approach to PSLE math. Location: online. Watch how I solve example questions. Singapore PSLE Math Tuition, YouTube.
I have achieved for A stars, the equivalent of for AL1, for my own PSLE. Having done it myself, I know what it takes to achieve AL1 EPSL.
Find out more about my credentials and teaching experience. Singapore Primary PSLE Math Tuition, simplifying PSLE math, maximizing results. DM through Facebook.